We followed all of the preparation for our wood stove, and it was actually quite extensive. We reframed the floor in this corner, poured a concrete slab, and then on top of it we've got this giant piece of granite. And then Liz actually helped Mark Ferrante put in this marble tile that's got this beautiful printed design on it, all in preparation for this beauty right here. And the big day, Joe, this has got to get you excited, right?
Hey, Kevin. Yeah, this is our soapstone wood stove. We're really excited about it.
Oh, she's a beauty.
Yeah.
And why the soapstone choice?
Well, the soapstone has a lot of mass, so it holds a lot of heat and it radiates it really nicely, but it also just looks great. We love the way this looks.
It really does. That's a beauty. All right. So, Jonathan, you're back to help us, and I saw you fussing with the back of this here. What were you working on the back?
So what we've got here, Kevin, is we started with an adapter into the back of the stove itself for our exhaust.
Okay.
Then we've installed a heat shield, which is going to allow us to get much closer to those inside corners than without. We also added a fresh air intake to supply the stove with air directly from the outdoors.
Intake's a nice choice, right?
Yeah, the house is so well insulated and so well sealed that we'd much rather pull in cold air from outside to burn rather than pulling in warm air from inside and creating a vacuum.
Okay. So where do we get started with you?
First, we're going to start with a little heavy lifting.
I can do that. Watch your fingers. Got it.
All right, so now that we've got the stove roughly in place, what we're going to do is start by marking the chimney up. With the heat shield, we're actually allowed to get 12 inches from each corner here.
Plenty there.
We've got 15,
Plenty there.
15 there. Yeah, now what we're going to end up doing is we'll figure out where our fresh air is going through the outdoors. We'll get that marked up. All right, so now we've got a masonry drill bit to go through our cement siding on the outside. Just a matter of drilling through.
All right. That's it. You're through.
Now we can go through and cut our holes.
There we go.
Okay. We can lift the assembly in place and make our final connections.
What do you think?
I think it looks good. Should keep you warm all winter long.
All right.
This makes you excited, doesn't it?
Yeah, I'm super excited about this.
All right. A couple weeks, you'll have a real fire.
All
Thank
right.
you, Jonathan. That thing looks awesome. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.